it's just flowers and all, like this is kind of again my forte. If somebody has already worn my stuff, they can just see from far distance this my wearer is Parvesh Jaika. Yeah, like Gilly is kind of like she's always my favorite client. I am her favorite designer. She always says this like फूल पत्ती तो दूर से पता लग जाएगा परवेश जैका.
आपका signature style है.
Like lot of patching, lot of फूल पत्तास and all.
It looks really nice. So it just adds. इससे नाल ना थोड़ी hint आ जाती है.
And I think flower is one of the most beautiful creation of nature. So we should use it everywhere.
Absolutely, it looks beautiful. Oh, great. You said not the one.
Yeah.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ
ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈਗਾ.
Now, is there that I've seen you've used that traditional ambiyan wala style, typical Punjabi style.
Typical Punjabi jamawar style is there, and
Yeah.
I have made it a modern touch.
Yeah.
Like I've put a lot of colors only on the border, and rest of the suit is just in single color.
Exactly.
So it gives a very modern appeal to the basic Indian outfit.
You know what I also like, Parvesh, ki tusi jehde churidars hage, I really love this, that sheerness jehda hega. It just adds that
a nice-
subtle,
yeah.
isn't it looks sexy at the same time and very conservative with the whole outfit as well.
ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਸ਼ੀਅਰਨੈਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਆਲ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਚ ਤੇ ਫਿਟਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਛੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਬਾਈ ਯੂ ਡੋਨਟ ਨੀਡ ਆਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨਸ. ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ.
We keep coming back to that. It's really beautiful. I love the colors on this one.
So we can go for the next one now.
Oh, absolutely.
In this, I think the color speaks loud and loud Punjabi.
I am married.
Spicy.
I am married with this outfit.
Yeah.
Absolutely. This speaks of a bride.
Yeah,
Tell me
I
about
just
this.
love shocking pink. It just gives you that Indianness.
It does.
You don't have to say even a word after this.
ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਔਰ 골ਡ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜੁਐਲਰੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਵੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ 골ਡ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ 골ਡ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ.
And is the under you know you even have the stone work in it?
Yes, we
Because I've noticed is that the stone work भी हैगा. So you play with a lot of different
Yeah.
things in one. क्योंकि कई बारी कहते हैं या तो stone work रखो या फिर borders का style रखो, but ਤੁਹਾਡੇ styles अंदर
Yeah, it's basically
सारा
in
कुछ-
one outfit there are mostly there are 4 or 5 types of embroideries which I use.
yeah you can wear anything with
You can
anything.
wear
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜੁਐਲਰੀ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ
Jewelry
ਸਾਡੇ
problem
ਆਊਟਫਿਟਸ
ਨਹੀਂ।
And so much of detailing is there in one motif. Like if you see from here,
हाँ जी.
so like there is velvet, there is zari work, there is patch of leather, there is diamante work, like stone work, and then zardozi is there, and then gota lining is there in the stitching part. So everything is detailed in this.
Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Oh, here's my Naisa.
This is all in this, like all kalis are hand painted.
Really?
Yeah, it's all hand painted and then it is worked upon.
It is really nice. I
It gives the
absolutely
touch
love
of
this.
proper, like kind of a panel which is from a Mughal fort or something, just taken away from there and made a suit out of it. It's very architectural.
It is. And you know what I like it? थल्ले तुसी जेड़ा प्लेट वर्क भी कीता हैगा इस दे उत्ते. And this can be worn, like you said, इस में अगर तुसी इस तरह ही sandals नाल भी पा लो,
Simple dress, yeah.
dress it up, American function पे भी अगर
Of
जाना
course.
हैगा, you can absolutely dress it up that way too. And I like the sheerness of your sleeves ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ sheerness ਹੈਗਾ. I like that a lot too.
That looks very nice.
ਇਵਨ
that's
ਇਹਦੀ ਬੈਕ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਟ੍ਰਿੰਗਸ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਸੋ ਇਟਸ
Oh, I love
ਵੈਰੀ
the back.
ਵੈਰੀ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਾਓ ਤੇ
size.
ਫਿਟਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ
fitting problem is never
ਫਿਟਿੰਗ
there.
ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ
Yeah.
ਆਉਂਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ
Yeah, no, it's very nice. I like the back cut over there also. Looks beautiful. Looks really nice. Great. Tara collection, obviously it's so beautiful. I really really like it. कि चूड़ीदार और सूट्स अंदर ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਟਿਪੀਕਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੁੜੀ ਸੂਟ ਪਾਏ ਸਾੜੀਆਂ and all that kind of stuff. It's really really
And
nice.
moreover,
and traditional.
being like visually, these all outfits are so heavy.
Huh.
But once you wear them, they are not heavy at all. They are like very lightweight outfits.
ਤੁਸੀਂ exactly after dinners ਤੇ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ.
Because we mainly play with fabric on fabric.
Yep.
It's nothing overtly done like 3-dimensional embroideries are not there.
Wow.
So now we can see all the colors
All the colors. Wow.
like a rainbow.
It is, but you know that's what it's all about. ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਦੇਖੋ
course,
ਤੁਸੀਂ
it's like rainbow.
colors is a very big thing.
Punjabis are basically lightful and colorful.
Absolutely, yeah. And these women look so. These ladies, oh my God! Don't look at me like that. I'm so sorry. These ladies look so gorgeous in this.
Nice.
Great. Absolutely beautiful.
That's really nice. Yeah.
These are really nice colors. I absolutely love them.
And together, if you see them, like, we can always talk, like, see the color coordination is there. Even two sisters can wear in one wedding.
Exactly,
That is there.
exactly.
That's why we are showing them together and together. Like this girl is wearing with the touch of magenta and green is there.
Absolutely.
In her dress there is green, in her dress there is
Is magenta.
So it's like very well coordinated.
They really are. They really are.